everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the last video, we have solved the minimum problem in the element. So we are going to get the element for the array with space separator and output the largest element in the array. Largest element is 89. So here largest element is 89. Let's take the scenario. In the school, a test is conducted by the teacher and 6 students have participated in the test. In the test, each student get a mark 12, 45, 7, 89, and 34 and 56. And the winner, the highest number will be the winner. So for that we have to find the who got the highest rank. We will compare with the each number, each mark with the each element. We, co- we compare each mark with the each person. So here 12 is compared with the 45. Here 45 is the greatest number. And 45 is compared with the next. Here 7. So by comparing 45 is the greatest number. So now we compare with the third index which have 89. So by comparing 45 and 89, here 89 is the biggest number. And like this we compare with the each element. So here the largest element is 89. So let's see how we are going to find this problem. We are going to use the Java language. Let's create a class. Let's create a class. Which largest element, right? So largest element, the class is created. Let's go. So we are in main class that we are including the scanner class, canvassing. So let's take a input which is the length of the array, which is the length of the array. So let's now declare the array. So what is length, which is a n number. So let's get the input. To find the largest number, we have to assume that our first element is the largest element. So let's first declare int largest equal to array of 0, which is the first index in our array. Now we are going to compare the each and every element with the array. Now we are going to compare the each and every element in the array. So let's create a loop. Int I equal to, let's start from the first index. So 0th index is already initialized. So here we are going to give a condition to check whether the element is the largest element or the smallest element. So here largest is less than array of I. Large is equal to array of I. Let's print this. Now we are printing the largest. Let's add is the biggest number in the array. Okay, let's run this code. So what is our input? So here our input is 6 and 12, 45, 7, 89, 45, 23. So here, as we expected, 89 is the our largest element in this array. Let's decode this. So here, our n, which is the length of the array, we are given array 6. The length 6. So here the array is declared, which contains 6 spaces for this. So it holds 6 spaces. So here it will get the input for the array. So in this line we are declaring largest equal to first element. Our first element is 12. By the largest element, we are going to compare with the each and every element in this array. So from there we can easily find the largest element. So here the iteration 1. So now I equal to 1. So which hold the first index. So 1 I equal to 1. So in the first index, our element is 45. So here it will come and check in largest the value hold is 12. So it check whether the 12 is less than 45 or not. So here the condition is here the condition is true. So it move to the next line. So it updates the value, largest value 12 into 45. Now our largest value is 45. Again the iteration will go. So now the second iteration, in the second place we have number 7. So our largest value now is 45 and array of I equal to 7. So the condition is false. So again it move back to the loop. So now our I equal to 3. In the third index we have the element 39. So our largest element is 45. It check whether 39 whether it is a greater or not. So here the condition is true. So now it updates the value 89. So now the largest value is 89. So it move back to the iteration 4. So iteration 4 we hold 45. So now our largest value is 89 and the array of I equal to 45. The condition false. So it move back to the iteration. Now it's fifth. In fifth, we have the value 23. So check whether 23. So the condition again false. And after it move to the next iteration 6. Now here the condition will fail. So the condition will 6 greater than 6. So condition is false. So it move out of the loop. Condition is false. So it move out of the loop and print the largest value.